All right, here we go for our next spin. What will we open next? Crybaby. I've never opened up a Crybaby yet, so I'm really excited. There was one that felt super heavy, so I think I'm gonna open up the heaviest one I felt out of that collection that I got, because I have 3 boxes. So. All right, Crying for Love from Crybaby. Now, which ones do I want from this collection? I would like these two. This one's really cute. The twins, the cat. Honestly, I think I want all of them, especially the secrets. So here we go. All right. Cry baby, here you come to me. Okay, there's some extra stuff in here. Oh, whoa. Okay. There is a little pillow and stuff. Stop it. Oh my God. This is so cute. Okay, and there's a little heart and a pillow for it. It has that same like texture as like the moss from Skull Panda. Oh my gosh. Oh, the butt's a heart. Little, oh my God. I love it and it's so adorable. Oh my God. That is the cutest freaking thing ever. Okay, let's do the next one. Now I'm excited.